Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download songs from Spotify. So the first thing you need to do is just open your Spotify application. Then what you need to do is you need to find the music which you want to go and download. So to do that, go and tap on this search button and then go and search for the song you want to download like so and get music from to go and download. Now personally, I always go and add all the songs or music I want to let go and download to a playlist, and it will show you how to download the full playlist. To go and add a song to a playlist, go and find the song and click on these three dots in the right corner and then tap on this add to playlist. Tap on this new playlist. Then you can go and you can give a name on your playlist. Let's say I'm going for this download, and then tap on this create. And then once you tap on create, Spotify it's going to take you straight to the playlist. As you can see, here we are, it's called download music. Now I want to go and just add a few more songs just for this example. Let's say I'm going for this three dots add to playlist, and this time I'm going for this download. And then once you added all the music you want to go and download it to the playlist, all you need to do is go and tap on bottom right, click on this your library. Then I will go and show you most recent playlist at the top of your library page, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on download. Now there are two different ways of how you can go and download this playlist, but it is important to note to go and download songs and playlist on Spotify. You are going to go and need Spotify Premium, which is basically a monthly subscription to Spotify. In the UK, the Spotify subscription is around £10, and I'm pretty sure it's around $10 or $15. So once you have Spotify Premium, then all you need to do is go and click on these three dots and you can tap on download, or alternatively just go and tap on this circle, the arrow facing down on the playlist page, and then it's going to start circling and you will know that it's finished and I'm downloading, because that's going to go green and each song is going to have a little green arrow pointing down and showing that it's now downloaded on your device. So if you don't have a Wi-Fi or sell your data on mobile data, you can still go and listen to this music. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.